Hi, if you're watching this video, then you've made a very good step into an environment where everything is possible with light. In this video, I am going to show you how to apply for University of Eastern Finland's Masters of Science in Photonics program. My name is Isaac Dugan. I am an early stage researcher in the Institute of Photonics, University of Eastern Finland. Please note that the information in this video is valid on the day this PowerPoint presentation was made, that is 4th of December 2020. This information is likely to change in the future. In this presentation, I'm going to say something small about photonics and highlight the research areas in this university. I'm also going to talk to you about the list of required documents that you need to apply for the program, and also show you how to apply for this beautiful program online, and also talk to you about the post-application process, that is the things that you need to do after you've successfully submitted your application. If the information in this video is not enough, I'm going to guide you to a page where you can get extra information on this program. Now, when we say photonics, what really comes into mind? The question is, what is photonics? So photonics is basically, the physical science of light generation, detection, and manipulation through emission, transmission, modulation, signal processing, switching, amplification, and sensing. University of Eastern Finland Institute of Photonics has several research areas which you can focus, and these research areas are very interesting, and they are really contributing a lot to the lives of mankind. And this information, you can find it from the university's page. In order for you to get into the university and partake in these research areas, first you need to get into the university. So let's see how the list of required documents that you need to apply for this program. The first thing is an online application, so which means that you need a working computer preferably and an internet access, okay, to apply for this program. I don't personally recommend using phone, but if it serves the purpose, why not? The next thing that you need is the original copy of your degree certificate, neatly scanned. Okay, so neatly scanned, and then you also need your transcript of records detailing all the credit hours you've acquired through your bachelor's education, and then you also need the front page of your passport, that is the identification page of your passport, also neatly scanned as well. You also need an English language certificate, that is certificate to prove your English language skills. But then if your bachelor's education was completely done in English, then there's no need for any standard test certificates such as TOEFL. Okay, a certificate from your university stating that you did your bachelor's education in English language is enough. You need 2 recommendation letters, preferably from professors. If you don't have professors, you can contact doctors in your department to get you this recommendation letters. I don't recommend you to take it from lecturers with master's degree. You also need to tell the university what really motivates you to study the program. And then on top of that, you need a CV in an Europass format. I think there is a link in the university's page that will directly take you to the Europass format website, where you can convert your normal CVs to the Europass format. The Europass format CV is really nice, so kindly take note. Now, when we have all these application documents, then how do we apply? The application process itself. So we visit studyinfo.fi. There may be other ways to get there. So in the search for study option, we type in photonics, and then we click on the search button. So the search button will list programs, other photonics related programs, of which photonics in UEF is part. So you click on photonics, that is Masters of Science in Physics. That is the program, Photonics Masters of Science in Physics. In order to be sure that that is really the program, you can also confirm that the university taking this program is actually University of Eastern Finland, Faculty of Science and Forestry. Faculty of Science and Forestry, UNSU. Yeah, so if you see this, then you know you are surely at the right page. Okay, so when the page opens, you automatically have program description. If it's not selected, you can choose that. Because it will give you information about the school fees and then information about the scholarship and the period of duration. So to fill your application, you have to click on the fill in application to actually submit your application. If it faints, then it means that application is not ongoing. Okay, so you can also check this site to actually know the number of study place and also have an idea of the number of students taken in a year. It's a very good program, and then it attracts a lot of students, so make sure you do your application well. Please note that your application would not save if you do not submit, so try as much as possible to submit your application when you fail. The university gives you 2 weeks to submit your documents, your required documents. Should you not even have them available, please go ahead and submit your application so that you can submit the document later. Now, what happens when you have submitted our applications and then we are waiting? The first thing that I will talk about is the results. The result is normally released in the month of March. That is the last Friday in the month of March, in that very year that you are supposed to go to school. Please note that you must confirm your study place as soon as possible. If not, you are going to lose it. Okay? The good news about this is that early bird tuition fee of 500 euros will be deducted from your school fees if you accept your study place and then pay your tuition fee within 3 weeks from the day that the admission result is released. That is really a good news. Then after we've paid our tuition fee, the next thing that we need to do is the resident application, because you need a resident permit to come to Finland. For now, Finland doesn't have any embassy in Ghana, so we all go to Nigeria, which is a process that you can do. I believe you can do that. I'm only hoping that by the time you're watching this video, Finland has an embassy in Ghana so that things can be easy for you. But I think it's a process that you can always do that. You also need accommodation, and I'm sure information regarding accommodation will be part of your admission package that will be sent to you. Should you encounter any challenges, don't hesitate to contact Photonics Ghana. We have people here who are willing to help you get accommodation for your smooth studies and your smooth stay in Finland. That will be very nice to help with. Yeah. If the information in this video is not enough, you can click on the application process, which will give you more information on the program. You can check student admission to study the program, eligibility, that is how eligible you are for this program. You can also check additional information on applying, and then as well as how to contact the admission services. If the information is still not sufficient, then you can contact the program coordinator, who will give you the most recent and detailed information about this program. I wish you all the best, and I hope to see you in the year. Thank you.